Action. Caleb, I can't hear you, baby.
Okay. Start all over.
Action.
Okay. Everybody say the parents, I say no. No. Where's the boat? Where's the boat?
What's the name of the boat?
The Mayflower, if I can get it. The Mayflower. Where's the baby? Where's the baby at? Where's the baby? Unless that's the baby.
Okay. What's the baby's name?
The baby. Ocean. If I can do it.
Okay, what happens next?
And then they found land.
Where did they land?
On the lake. We found Plymouth Rock.
I can't see you.
Plymouth Rock.
Good job. All right, what happens next?
They find the hut. Hey, get down. I told them.
All right, so.
The boy comes out. Boy? Or the man? The man. Read it. Hello. Do you have any babies?
I can't hear them.
Follow me. The teenagers. Hello. My twin brothers. I got a twin brother. I didn't notice that. Why don't you read us the same thing? Hello. They meet the Indians, and then they have the feast.
Okay, so they met the Indians and now they're having a feast.
Yeah.
Is that the end of it?
No.
What else do they do?
Where's the other kids? First, where's the last kid? Alright, get to They're having the feast outside, and they're giving thanks.
So they give thanks to.
God.
Are they happy?
Yeah.
All right, stand up.
Feast.
Stand up.